My name's Mark Thomas. I'm the Solutions Architect for Databarracks. I'm responsible for the second generation infrastructure as a service offering. Databarracks has been providing managed backup services for over 10 years now. Our key differentiators were quality of service and security. We're now moving infrastructure as a service and bringing those same qualities to the services that our customers have been asking for. So Databarracks offers differentiators from our competitors by having very flexible pricing solutions, very good customer service, highly secure solutions. By using a SolidFire solution, we can differentiate ourselves from the competition by being cheaper and more effective in our offerings. We don't have to dedicate disks anymore. We can now do it out of one array. Previous storage solutions didn't really scale as linearly as we really wanted. They didn't offer the kind of segmentation between one client and another that we really wanted. We needed the performance and the security that our clients required from the service. For Databarracks, it was very difficult for us to host enterprise services for our clients without having quality of service. It required quite a lot of thought and planning. SolidFire's solution offering is important to Databarracks as it's geared specifically towards the cloud service provider industry. It allows for multi-tenancy and dynamic control, which you would not normally get from traditional vendors. The ability for SolidFire to be able to dynamically adjust its performance and capacity is a real benefit. It means that we don't have to have multiple arrays. We can do everything we want from the one system. We need to offer hard storage SLAs. For most enterprises and back-end of systems, it's important that they understand that they get the performance that they require. Using SolidFire, we should be able to offer very flexible pricing models based upon storage capacity and I/O, and provide very secure solutions to our clients. For Databarracks, being able to provide independent I/O and capacity metrics was really important. It takes us away from being tied to specific spindle sizes, specific performance statistics from those disks. It's vitally important for cloud solution providers. Databarracks can now be more efficient using SolidFire by having one platform to service all of our customers' requirements rather than having to have multiple tiers. It makes us much more efficient in terms of footprint, as well as the requirements to host that particular infrastructure. For Databarracks, being able to grow linearly is very important. It means we can predict our costs a lot better. It means that we can be a lot more effective in our pricing model. And as a service provider, we need to understand both those costs. Our previous storage solutions didn't really grow with our requirements. We had to purchase large storage arrays, a lot of disks to service the requirements. We don't have to do that anymore. We only have to have one array and be flexible in how we provision that. By being able to guarantee performance to individual clients' servers, we can host more of their applications. There is no limit to what we can put into our cloud.